Mama, Dada. Hey, buddy.
Hi.
Evening. Why are you shy? You guys these are the future YouTubers, man.
I have a nice camera.
These are the future YouTubers we're looking at right now. Do you want to introduce yourself?
No.
You do. My sister, my dada. And yourself? Come on. Okay, we're coming back for you guys. Anyway, guys, rise and shine. It's your boy Rayman here, AKA your ray of sunshine, AKA Mr. Mufasa in the building, baby. And we out here in Tanzania. This is the Airbnb I'm staying at over here. This is the beautiful family, lovely host. They stay in the main house. I stay in the guest house just there. And right now, we're on the search to look for vegan food in Tanzania. Hey, Ocho, we got Halima here, my friend. Hello, Halima.
Hi.
Mama.
Welcome to Tanzania.
Ante. We got my boda driver, my kaka, Ocho. Oh, you're closing. Thanks, man. So yeah, first of all, this is the bike we use. We've been using this bike to get around like the whole of Tanzania, or Dar Salaam, Jerusalem.
Yes.
Yeah, man, just been rolling like this, man. We've been using this bike to look for properties, looking for rental properties. We've been using it to look for restaurants, look for motorbikes, transport, everything. Let's roll, man.
Okay.
Peace.
Hey, Mambo.
Mambo boa. Habari gani?
Zuri sana.
Nzuri sana.
Yes.
Jambo.
Jambo bwana.
Jambo guano.
Habari gani?
Habari gani?
I can't fix that with 10 figures. And over property that we don't own, we gunning down each other. Trying to make them ends meet, but that EBT don't cover. Rob T sell dope, even if that mean killing each other. Then the prison system eat off all our death just like vultures. I just call it like a seed. I know they saying killing friends. Yeah, I know we all see it.
Hello,
we chase the American dream for a low price.
Oh man, this is just how we've been rolling. Us, all three of us have been rolling like this.
Yes.
My boda driver, my friend Halima. Yes. Yes. Mambo vipi?
Mambo poa.
Mambo poa.
Safi sana. Habari. Hey.
Habari yako.
Just so much fly, how your butter trap fly. By any means, what happened to your wings? What happened to your dreams? Did you let this world snatch you?
This video is all about trying to be vegan for the day, or plant-based, whatever you want to call it, man. We just want to see what the options are. So, you know, usually whenever I go to a country, one of the main things I look for is, you know, can I get my plant-based foods, you know, which is like 99% of my diet is, you know, fruits and vegetables. You know, so that's one thing I always want to make sure I can get my, you know, my legumes, my chickpeas, my fruits, my mangoes, my papayas, my coconuts and stuff. So we're here now, and we're in Jerusalem around zone 3. So you got zone 1, 2, 3. I tend to stay around this area. This area is called Sinza Africa Sana.
Yes, Africa Sana Market.
Oh, okay, yeah.
Yes, you're welcome. Halima. This is my friend Rayman. So
Yes.
welcome to Tanzania.
Cool, and yeah, Halima's going to show us around some of the stuff you can get. Like, so we've just come to the market now, and you can get pretty much everything here. You can see.
Everything is good and natural here.
Yes, this is spinach. You got some chard over here, as you can see. Some lettuce over here, okra. I mean, these are the staples. My staples are like okra, aubergine, lentils, chickpeas. You can see you've got the coriander over here, fresh coriander, fresh lemongrass. What is this? Rosemary? I think this is rosemary. Wow, that's. And most of this is local, is it? Is this local stuff?
Yes, it's local. The price is very cheap here.
And the stuff,
More than everywhere.
yeah. So this place is extremely, you know, cost effective and affordable. You got some aubergine here. Should we take a walk around and have a look? Peppers, limes, some onions. Yeah, tomatoes. You know, follow me. You got some peppers, Scotch bonnets, red onions, garlic, ginger, peppers, beetroot. Guys, look at this beetroot, guys. Santa. I just see some hibiscus over there. You got some grains over here. And maharage. Maharage?
Swahili is maharage, beans.
Maharage. And yeah, you got some lentils over there. I think this is mung beans. Mung? Toroko, Swahili, okay.
It's like a maharage.
Okay, maharage. Yeah, you got plantain here. Sweet potato. As you can see, you got everything out here. Your mangoes, watermelon, bananas, some old coconuts here. Let's continue to walk and see what else, other gems we can find. Is that quinoa? Which is this one? Guys, should we get some sugarcane juice? Cool. We're thirsty, man. We've been out all day looking for motorcycles, you know. One thing when you land to a country, you know, after staying there for a couple of weeks, it's good to, you know, get your own transport. It will make life a lot more easier. It's a lot more cost effective if you can buy a car or a motorbike. And the motorbikes, you can get them as cheap as, you know, $300-400 out here, second hand and used. So me and Ocho and Halima, we've been looking all day. Santa Kaka.
Hey, let's go, man.
So we'll get some sugarcane juice,
Yes,
and then we'll go to get some Ethiopian food. Do you know what area the Ethiopian food is in?
Yes.
Which what's it called?
Yes, I know.
It's pasta.
Pasta. Sawa Twinde. No, it's not pasta. It's next to pasta.
Next to pasta.
We'll get some vegan, plant-based, vegetarian Ethiopian food.
Morocco.
Oh, Morocco.
Yes, at the Airtel building.
Yes, near the Airtel building.
Yes, it's Morocco.
Yeah, if you want to frame a reference, it's near the Airtel building or Dr. Agrawal's eye surgery. This is the place. It's in Oyster Bay, Rehoboth. We're gonna eat some vegan food today. So if you guys are wondering, you know, in Tanzania, wondering what kind of vegetarian and vegan options they have, here's one of them, along with a few Indian options and a few other places in town that I've found so far. There's probably many more, but at the moment I've only found Ethiopian food and Indian food. Rehoboth, Oyster Bay. Let's check it out with my gang here.
Yes, let's go.
Yes. Yeah, we just had a little altercation, you know, filming. You know, people weren't quite happy. But, Mambo dada, Salaam asante. Managed to bump into the proud owner.
Okay,
here.
good.
So this is your restaurant?
Yes, my restaurant.
How long have you been running the restaurant for?
Oh, 12 years.
12 years.
Yes,
Wow.
yes.
It's a beautiful little place. This is my third time coming back here now, you know.
Thank you, you're welcome.
You know, as someone who eats mainly plant-based food, vegetarian and vegan stuff,
Yes.
you know, it's hard to find out here in Dar es
Okay.
Salaam. So this is a great spot to get vegetarian food.
Thank you.
You know the language.
Hi, how are you? Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
Okay, my name is Rourke.
My name is Halima.
Okay.
Yes, my father is from Ethiopia, but he's still in Tanzania for a long time. Kwa hiyo
No.
nimezaliwa hapa.
Some of the most tastiest food on this earth. Ochu tried it here last week for the first time ever.
Yes.
And then Halima's about to try it before. Have you had Ethiopian food before?
No.
It's the first time?
Okay, yes, it's the
You were
first time.
excited?
Yes, it's good
Kidogo.
area. Like a natural.
Yeah. Yeah, this is like a hidden gem in Dar es Salaam. A little hidden gem. It's family run. It's run by a family from Ethiopia, and it's a small hidden gem in the back streets. Hey guys, managed to bump into the proud owner.
Okay,
here.
good.
So this is your restaurant?
Yes, my restaurant.
How long have you been running the restaurant for?
Oh, 12 years.
12 years.
Yes,
Wow.
yes.
It's a beautiful little place. This is my third time coming back here now, you know.
Thank you, you're welcome.
You know, as someone who eats mainly plant-based food, vegetarian and vegan stuff,
Yes.
you know, it's hard to find out here in Dar es
Okay.
Salaam. So this is a great spot to get vegetarian food.
Thank you.
You know the language.
Hi, how are you? Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too, Mom.
Okay, my name is Rock.
My name is Salaam.
Okay.
Yes, my father is from Ethiopia, but he's still in Tanzania for a long time. Kwa hiyo
No.
nimezaliwa hapa.
Hujui lakini wapi
Sijui
sasa
chochote.
baba?
Hapana. Lakini babangu ana asili ya huko. Unakuwa anakaa Karatu huko ndani.
Mhm,
Karatu,
mhm.
eh.
Yes, yes.
Lakini ana asili ya huko.
Okay. Yupo lakini? Yupo hai.
Yuko Kilimanjaro.
Okay. Good.
Haya,
Karibu
nimefurahi
sana.
kuona simu yako ni nzuri, iko natural, yani ni pazuri sana.
Yes, yes. I try.
Vegetarian options on there.
Yes, yeah.
You didn't know a lot of Ethiopian food is vegetarian?
Yes.
Yes. Of vegetarian options. Let's
Yes.
get this. Let's show the guys here on YouTube.
Okay.
Vegetarian combination to share.
To share for 3 person. Yes.
What about this side?
Shit,
Mixed
oats.
vegetarian. Okay, that's
Mixed
mixed.
vegetarian with beef and
To
beef.
share
Yeah.
3. We're gonna go for this one, right? Let's show number 9.
Yes, number
What's
9.
it called?
Combination number 9. Yes. Kikali cha oats. Vegetarian. Whoa. Ding dong.
Wow. Sante.
Hivi nachukua muda mrefu kupika hivi.
So guys, we've got some salad, some spinach, some lentils, more lentils. What is this one?
Shilot.
Shilot. Okay. And this one cabbage.
That is cabbage and salad.
This is called
Vento.
Wentwin. Okay. So we've got the main dish here. Sante. Some injera here.
Injera.
Injera,
Yes, I remember
injera.
injera. Yes, injera.
So you got some red. It's like chapati. Take one. But not
Yes.
chapati.
Yeah.
Fermented.
Yes.
Fermented. Bread. With no yeast. Good probiotics. You want to taste? You going to taste? Okay, ladies first.
Like this? No.
No,
Yes,
man.
like this.
Yeah, you show her. Ocho, show her how it's done, man. This is the second time for Ocho eating Ethiopian food.
Yes.
Ocho, show her.
Why are you laughing? Stop
Show,
laughing.
show her how it's done, man.
Unakunjua kama hivi, then unakata, then
Go on, Ocho. Yes.
this.
Yummy. Yeah, yummy.
Yummy.
Kitamu.
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 Yes.
Really kitamu.
Yes.
Guys. Like, like, I'm teaching them English and they're teaching me Swahili,
Yes,
so,
okay.
you know, it's working both ways. Here, Leon.
Yes.
Divine flavors, man.
MashaAllah.
All praise to the Most High, man. All praise be to the Most High. Which one is your favorite? Which one is your favorite? man?
Maybe I
Don't look at me.
to start to test it.
It's nice.
Yes.
I'm teaching them how to eat plant-based, man.
Mm-hmm.
Every day they're eating beef, chicken, and fish. Yes, but today we eat vegetables. Guys, we're gonna eat. We're gonna get our feast on. The food is just absolutely delicious here. Customer service, the atmosphere is chilled, laid back. It's you know, in a nice place of town. A bit tricky to get to at first, but overall, once you're here, everything is cool. And we're gonna eat because this food is delicious. Don't want to get in cold now. And catch you guys on the other side. Definitely recommend it. 5 stars from me. How many stars? How many stars? 1 star, 2 star, 3 star, 4 star, 5 star? 5 star?
5 star.
You know, reaching for this place. How many stars do you give it?
How many stars?
5.
You give it 5?
Yes, yes.
And you, Ocho? Ocho, how much stars do you give this
I
place?
think 6, man.
Okay, there you have it, man. It's if we take an average, it's about 5.2 stars out of 5.
Yes.
Cool.
They call me Rayman Mufasa, you know I come from Mufasa. I was raised on the streets, I had to hustle just to eat. My grandmother was shopping food on the streets, hey. Packing heat on the streets, hey. So I knew I could never be weak. So I knew I would never be weak.